Hi everyone, it's Lisa from the Ridgewood Library again with another fun and easy recipe. I've downloaded another cookbook. This time I've downloaded my cookbook club's absolute favorite, Barefoot Contessa. And the cookbook that I've downloaded is called Back to Basics. And the recipe that I've chosen today is called Easy Sticky Buns. The ingredients that we're going to need are 2 frozen puff pastries that are thawed, 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which is a stick and a half, 1/3 cup light brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. And for the filling, you're going to need 2/3 cup of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter, cooled, 1 cup of raisins, and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And you're going to need a muffin tin, a 12-cup muffin tin, on top of a baking sheet with a piece of parchment in between. So the next thing we want to do is take our 12 tablespoons of butter, put this in our mixing bowl. Get that all in there. And our 1/3 cup of light brown sugar. And we're going to mix that up in our mixer. Okay, so once you've mixed your butter and your brown sugar, you're going to take about a spoonful and you're going to put it into each muffin cup. Okay, so now we're going to take our 1/2 cup of chopped pecans and we're going to put them in each muffin cup. We want to spread them out evenly. Okay, so next we have our puff pastry on our wooden board, and underneath I have spread the whole board with flour so that we are able to move around the puff pastry. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our melted butter and we're going to coat our puff pastry with the melted butter. We want to go all the way to the edge with this. Okay, so we've got our puff pastries coated with the melted butter. And next we're going to take our brown sugar, our cinnamon, and our raisins, and we're going to spread them on top of the puff pastries, and we're going to make sure that we leave a 1-inch border around each pastry. So now we've got our filling all spread out on our puff pastry, and we're going to start at the bottom, and we're going to roll up the puff pastry in a roll so that the filling stays inside, and we're going to keep it as tight as we possibly can. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut about 1/2 inch off of each end so that it's nice and even. And then we're going to cut each roll into 6 pieces. So now we have our rolls cut into 6 pieces each, and we're going to put each roll into our muffin cups, spiral side down. Okay, the next step is we're going to put them in our 400-degree oven until they are golden brown in about 30 minutes and firm to the touch. So now you can see our sticky buns are done. They're out of the oven. They baked for about 30 minutes, and you can see they're golden to dark brown, and they're firm to the touch, as you can see. And I had them rest outside the oven for about 5 minutes, and now I have to flip them over onto our parchment paper. And I think you can smell this. It smells amazing. Okay, here we go. A little extra in the muffin tins, and we're just gonna spoon that out. So here you have your easy sticky buns from Barefoot Contessa's Back to Basics. So now we have to try them, and once again we're going to let our cameraman give it a try. Good?
That's delicious.
That's awesome. Thanks for watching.